Alright, for this one, we're going to look at 7D. It's a quit program. And what you're going to do is, once again, utilizing a while true. And you are going to utilize a statement here that the input, you're going to convert it to upper or lower, one or the other. So when the user types in something, it gets converted and tested out so it works correctly, meaning something like this. So type in quit to exit. If I type in no, it'll basically reprompt you to enter something. Type in quit. So let me type in QUIT. And now you notice that it didn't matter that if I typed in an uppercase, lowercase, or combination, it basically still worked. And it's not utilizing the different combinations of the word quit. It's basically taking the input and converting it all to a lowercase or uppercase and comparing it to see if the syntax is typed in a certain way, and then it'll basically quit the program. Now this is just a small little snippet of code that keep in mind, or copy and paste this to your set of notes, because you might use this in another type of lab. So when the user basically, when you have a menu or something along those lines, you type in the word quit, it exits out of the program. So the thing is, with this particular program, you're going to write your code, and we're looking probably around, again, 8 lines of code. No different than what we've done earlier, and that's pretty much what you need to do.